Today, I'll walk you through how to filter between visuals in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create interactive reports so you can enhance your data storytelling. First, let's open Power BI. If you have your dashboard ready, go ahead and launch the application. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have Power BI open, the next step is to choose the data that you want to filter. This is like selecting the ingredients for a recipe. Picking the right data is crucial for achieving the desired outcome. Click on the visual that represents the data you want to focus on. After you've highlighted your chosen visual, look towards the top of your screen for the Format ribbon. This is where you'll find various options to customize your visuals. Click on the Format ribbon and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on the Edit Interactions option. This is where the magic happens. When you select this option, an icon will appear on the top of the other visuals, except for the one that you selected. This visual cue helps you understand which visuals are connected to your selected data. You'll now see options for how other visuals can react to your selected visual. You can choose among three options: filter, highlight, or none. Think of this as deciding how you want your audience to perceive the information. Do you want them to focus on a specific detail, or do you want to provide a broader context? Once you've made your selections, take a moment to review how the visuals interact with each other. This step is essential for creating a cohesive and engaging report. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to filter between visuals in Power BI. This skill will not only enhance your data presentation, but also allow you to tell more compelling stories with your data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.